In 1999, a company called pets.com raised $82 million. It sold pet food online. It had no profit. It had no clear plan. It had a sock puppet mascot, and investors threw millions at it anyway. 9 months after its IPO, it was gone. But pets.com was not the exception. It was the rule. In the late 1990s, any company with .com in its name could raise millions overnight. No revenue required, no profit required, just a website and a dream. Investors were terrified of missing out, so they bought everything. NASDAQ, the tech stock exchange, rose 450% between 1995 and 2000. Companies with zero earnings were valued at billions. Then one day, investors looked around and asked a simple question: where's the money? When is any of this actually going to make a profit? And nobody had a good answer. The selling started, slowly at first. Then all at once, NASDAQ fell 78%. $5 trillion in wealth vanished. Hundreds of companies gone overnight. People who had quit their jobs to trade tech stocks lost everything. It took 15 years for NASDAQ to recover to its year 2000 peak. 15 years. Now here is the part that should make you uncomfortable. Replace .com with artificial intelligence. Replace website with AI model. Replace sock puppet with chatbot. NVIDIA, the company making chips for AI, became worth more than $3 trillion. More valuable than every company in Germany combined. AI startups with no revenue are raising hundreds of millions. Investors are terrified of missing out. Sound familiar? Nobody is saying AI is not real. The internet was real too. Amazon survived the .com crash. Google survived. But hundreds of companies that rode the wave did not. The technology was revolutionary. The valuations were insane. And ordinary investors who bought at the peak paid the price. History does not repeat exactly, but it rhymes. And right now, it is rhyming very loudly. Follow, because what happens next matters for your money.